Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Epson L3160 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to restore copy settings to the default. To do it, you need to find it in settings, then scroll right and find here not firmware update, but restore default settings. It's 8 of 9 points, and find here copy settings. Click OK, and it will ask you about restore copy settings to default. Click yes, wait a while, and cool, default was successfully removed. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.